Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the RPC server is unavailable, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the IRPC service, the remote procedure call service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the word R, which is for remote, and then right click on it and select start or restart, but in many cases you won't have that option. So you can try disabling IPv6. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection, select properties, uncheck the box associated with Internet Protocol version 4, click on OK to save the settings. And lastly, there would be a lot of other solutions like flushing the DNS, resetting WinSock, resetting TCP/IP, etc. etc. So I say that for all of these solutions, we have just one solution, which is to reset the network. It needs a few more seconds, but it's okay. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Select network and internet. Click on change advanced network settings. Click on network reset, reset now, and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.